What about eBay item location policy? Item location policy. Item location information must accurately state where the item will be shipped from. To make sure buyers have a clear understanding of shipping charges and delivery times, sellers must provide accurate information in their listings about where their item will be shipped from. What is the policy? 1. Clear and accurate information about where the item is located, including the postal code, city and country where the item will ship from, must be included in listings. 2. Item location information must be consistent across all areas of the listing, including title, description, and item specifics. 3. A tracking number uploaded after an item has sold must match the shipping location provided in the listing. Activity that doesn't follow eBay policy could result in a range of actions, including, for example, administratively ending or canceling listings, hiding or demoting all listings from search results, lowering seller rating, buying or selling restrictions, loss of buyer or seller protections, and account suspension. All fees paid or payable in relation to listings or accounts on which we take any action will not be refunded or otherwise credited to your account. Thanks for watching this video.